attacking those guys way over there. And if they come back up, the drowned guys come from over there. And when actually some drowned guys in the corner.
I think they're going to have a major battle.
Actually, those guys over there is what these armies are going to attack.
They're going to attack.
Yeah, they're going to attack those guys.
Okay.
So, do you know who's going to take up first? It's going to be one of the fighter jets. It's going to be this target. Wait, which one should I go for? Should I go for one of these trucks here? Oh man, I missed it. Got it. Oh yeah, right. I drove in. Okay, next up is blood. You missed it. Next up is Master Trick. He's fine. We need backup.
He's running away.
Mommy.
Where's his backup to?
It's over here. It's back here.
Backup's coming. Oop, backup's coming.
Yeah. Don't worry.
More backup.
Paw Patrol.
Ooh, Paw Patrol. Is more backup coming?
Yep.
Whoa.
Star Wars.
Star Wars. Do you have more backup? Ooh, Cabby. And here comes more. That's a toy hauler truck for monster trucks.
You knocked me out.
What's happening?
Attacking them.
They're attacking, are they?
Yes. Sorry.
I think they're attacking each other.
No, I'm not. That's fine. Sorry. I'm going to transport him to jail.
Oh no.
Destroying those guys.
Oh, Mom, look what happened over here. He's cute. He's going to the army base.
He's going to the army base? Oh my. Is he like trading teams?
Yeah. Actually, when they died, they spawned there.
They spawn.
Yeah, they spawned over there.
Oh my goodness.
These guys are dead. So I go over.
It's a train.
Yes, trains. There's trains attached. Trains are attached together. Woo!
What's happening? Oh man.
I know it for flowers, but now in the army.
Holy moly.
Look at me, a big sail. Wow! Hey!
It's gone to the dark side. My goodness, he's destroying everybody.
Yeah. These guys are dead. Wait, is there anybody else that's dead? Is that?
Oh my god, Megalodon.
Wait, no, man. He's nice. He joined the army. Actually,
He did what?
he was.
He joined the
was-
armies?
Yeah, actually, he was their backup.
Oh, he's back up.
Yeah.
Oh, he's big and he's bad.
He killed Catboy. He killed him.
You got Catboy?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Where's Catboy going?
Actually. Wow!
Oh, who's this guy?
More backup.
Draganoid.
It's not dragon.
It's not Draganoid, who is it?
It's dragon.
Oh, just Dragon. Okay. Dragon.
Actually,
He's flying.
there's something flying in there.
Something flying? Where?
Ow!
It's the Enderdragon.
It's backup. Don't worry.
Back up. Dragon. Holy moly.
Wait, that's coming from the army base.
They all flew in.
Grab Romeo thing and the blue car. Romeo the mill too. Jeez, I think I hear something coming.
What do you hear?
I think I hear something coming.
Something else? Someone else coming to attack?
More backup.
Who is it? It was coming to attack.
It's more backup. Whoa!
Ooh, it's a car.
It's the blue Hot Wheels.
Holy smokes.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Jeez. Whiz.
Gee whiz, it's a track. Romeo Mobile?
Yeah. He's back up.
Back up.
Yeah, he's back up. Wait, let's see. March! He just died! Back up.
What are you doing? Switching places.
He killed him! He killed this guy! Wait.
What's happening?
Wait. Wait for a second.
Where are you going, bud?
To get some giant. And back up.
Back up.
So much back. Mobile!
Romeo Mobile?
Oh no! Hey. He's back. Yay! He smashed!
I don't know, everything's smashed up.
Here comes Dragon!
Oh,
Oh, he took out one.
Dragon's a destroyer.
Yeah, he's a destroyer.
He is a destroyer.
He kills. This guy just got killed too.
Where are they going now? Back to the other side. What's next?
There's 1,000 backup.
There's 1,000 backups? Ooh, is there a ramp out there? Back!
Oh,
Whoa, watch your face!
whoa, watch it!
Whoa!
That was Champion Snap.
Whoa!
Blue Thunder! Whoa, what are you doing here? He just took out somebody.
Whoa!
He just took out.
Whoa!
He just took out.
Whoa! Everything's coming alive here.
Yeah, whoa, trees! Watch out! The armies! Look at that, see? Our armies! Watch out! Watch out. I go. Whoa,
Goodness gracious, everything's coming alive out there. Whoa! Flying trucks. Flying monster trucks. It's a flying skateboard. Whoa. Whoa. That was a skateboard.
That's not backup.
Oh, the backup?
Please.
How much backup do you need?
1,000?
Yeah.
There's more backup.
Dusty just flew over and crashed. Jeez, that plane got no wings. Or tail.
He tried to kill one. One of our Air Force is coming.
I think there's like destroyer.
He's not killed.
No, but
No, never mind. He is killed. He's trying now.
Air Canada flying through. Airplane approaching. Crap. Whoa!
Army! Approaching for you.
Monster truck coming in.
Nope.
Oop, here comes the ambulance. Meow, meow, meow. He's
That
up on
ambulance is
the...
gone. No, Daddy. Come here.
Oh,
Daddy, wait!
dragon.
Don't attack her. Her armies.
Dragon just attacked. Whoa.
He landed. No.
Whoa! Megalodon is flying through.
Please win.
Megalodon.
Megalodon.
Woo. Enderdragons flying by.
Coming. Like, wow! Fly!
Jeep.
Blue!
Hello, doggy.
Someone?
Hello, Max. Peace. Holy moly. What are you trying to do here, boy?
Trying to kill Megalodon because he's cursed now.
Megalodon is cursed.
Yeah, he's cursed now. Guys.
Uh-oh. Crash.
He's okay.
Last battle will be Megalodon. Let's see what he can do. Oh, he crushed that mummy.
Marilyn.
Okay.
Let's get the spot!
Bye.